Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Mentor. Sometimes people need engagement in their content. It is needed on multiple platforms. So, what do? They turn to the internet to buy likes, views, and other engagements. And selling these, very easy. With this video, you'll find out how you can start today. Today we're going to be finding out how to earn money online by watching YouTube videos. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss out on how to start collecting a lot of money just by watching videos online. Number 10. Make a PayPal. You will need a place to store the money you have earned from this task. PayPal is an online wallet that holds the money you earn online. If it is cash, you save that money in your wallet, but you will need a PayPal to keep money digitally for this job. You will want to sign up for a PayPal account because this is one way to earn through these methods we'll be looking at today. PayPal allows you to earn and easily spend money. You can send and receive money from different PayPal accounts instantly. Also, you can link bank accounts and bank cards to your PayPal account. You can quickly and conveniently withdraw funds from PayPal to a bank account, then access it at an automatic teller machine, ATM. When signing up for PayPal accounts, visit the PayPal website. On the top of the page, there's a sign up button. Click on it. A new page will appear on the screen, which will probe if you want to start a business or a personal account. Select the personal account option, and after selecting that, you'll then be taken to a new page where you will enter in your email address and a secure password. Choose a secure and robust password that nobody can hack into, since you want to keep your money safe. Additionally, PayPal has a mobile app that you can download. This app has all the features of the website in a compact form. With this app, you can send, receive, and transfer funds normally through it, and you can also make withdrawals. PayPal is secure and very convenient for earning on the go. Number 9. Go to the Add Me Fast website. Many people and companies like to have more engagements in their online posts. They usually do this by getting people to watch their videos and comment and share on the posts. Not everyone can get this kind of engagement on their own, so they're willing to pay people to watch videos. Many companies pay people to watch their videos, and one of the sites that hosts these videos is Add Me Fast. On this website, you'll get paid to watch many different kinds of videos from your social media of choice. As you watch these videos, that account gains views while you gain currency, called coins, on this website. Add Me Fast is free to join. All you need to start earning is an Add Me Fast account. To make an account, you need to visit their website, look for the sign up button and then click on it. Then enter a valid email and a password and click sign up. Number 8. Navigate the website. Add Me Fast is a website that is straightforward to navigate. Once you're on the site, you will see a whole lot of social media platforms to watch videos from on the left side of the page. Also, you will see a coin-based currency system on the top of the page. It is the key to how you're going to be earning, but it's a multi-step system, so stay tuned to see how you can use these coins. Number 7. Watch YouTube videos. Watching YouTube videos on Add Me Fast is very simple. You scroll down to the left side of the page and then click on YouTube. Then, a new window will open up. Click on the video in the window, and then you will only need to watch around 30 seconds of it. You can watch as many videos as you want, since the more videos you watch, the more coins you earn. These coins will be important later. These videos are posted on this site because the user wants to gain more views. More views means more engagements. Many people will want to like, comment, and share, and that boosts the YouTube algorithm and tells it to recommend the videos to other people. That will get the user more views and engagements, so you help them out while you earn at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Number 6. Go to the PlayerUp website. PlayerUp is a free online platform for people to trade digital accounts. The PlayerUp website is easy to navigate. In this scenario, we'll be using a technique similar to a dropshipping business. We'll be earning through one service by fulfilling it with another service. Say you get paid $20 for a particular task, but you hire someone for a $10 job to fulfill that task. You will then get $10 for basically doing nothing. So today, we'll be learning how to earn this money. First, you need to visit the PlayerUp website to sign up. Go to the top of the page and then click on Login or Sign Up. You can then log in with a Facebook, Twitter, Google, Steam, or email account. Then, create a new password. It's very simple to sign up and you're ready to go. On this website, you can sell things like Facebook likes and the Clash of Clans accounts. Number 5. Sell Facebook likes on PlayerUp. Facebook likes are crucial for most companies. On the PlayerUp platform, you can buy and sell Facebook likes. It is one of the tasks that we're going to be doing today. The likes can boost company posts and encourage more engagement. A company that receives many likes will also appear to be more reliable, essential for many companies. Now, you'll be selling Facebook likes for those who are interested. First, go to your PlayerUp account and set up a listing for Facebook likes. Set your preferred price, maybe $10 or maybe $5. Now follow the steps to learn how to get this fulfilled. Number 4. Set up a page on AdMeFast. Getting likes and views by yourself is a very difficult task, so you will require other people's help. This is the point where you will return to the AdMeFast website. Go to the website and log in at the top left of the side panel, and then click on Add Page or Site, and fill out the form. Select what you want to be garnering, for instance, Facebook likes. Then select how many you want. Maybe your client requested 500 for the price of $10. Set this part to 500 likes. For countries, select worldwide. Then key in the page Uniform Resource Locator URL, which will be provided to you by your client on the PlayerUp site. Then select how many coins you want to give out per click. This is why your coins are essential, because you will be giving them out as rewards for those who like the page. Then you're all set. It can work for many different social media platforms, as we're going to discover later on in this video, so stick around to learn how to do it for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Number 3. Sell likes on Instagram on PlayerUp. Instagram is a highly popular social network used by many people around the world. It is one of the most popular social media sites out there. On this app, you can like photos and videos. This site has many influencers and people who want to become influencers. To be an influencer, you're gonna need a lot of likes. Likes and followers can be hard to come by, and that is where you come in. When you want to sell Instagram likes, first open up a PlayerUp account, and then set up a listing with a fair price. This time, you can sell likes or followers. Open AdMeFast and add a page for Instagram likes or follows, depending on what you're selling. People will start following that account and liking that content. That will lead to a happy client and an excellent reputation. Number 2. Sell views on TikTok on PlayerUp. TikTok is a social media platform that is becoming popular globally. It offers a platform for upcoming internet celebrities who will want more views on their TikToks. This app is full of content like dancing, cooking, and painting. The videos have a time limit of 1 minute, making it easy to view the videos. When it comes to TikTok views, you will go to your PlayerUp account and set up a listing to sell TikTok views. Go to AdMeFast and add a page for TikTok views. Many people will view it and your client's going to be satisfied, and that's how you will earn money. Number 1. Sell views on YouTube on PlayerUp. YouTube is a platform where people post their videos for others to view. It is vast and full of content with millions and millions of videos for anybody to view. Unfortunately, not all of the videos get views. Some people want their videos to have many views, and to achieve that, it has to run with the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm works in your favor when you get likes and comments, so people are willing to pay for these likes and comments. You can be among those people who earn money by selling likes. To be a part of this, first you need to go to your PlayerUp account, where you will then make a listing that you will then be selling YouTube views. Set your price and then set your page up on AdMeFast so people can view the video in which your client requested views. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.